Hello everyone. So for making coasters, you need 3 mm single strand cord. One cord will be 170 centimeter, 5 cords 100 centimeter, 6 cord 80 centimeter and 6 cord 50 centimeter. If we require more, we will take it later. So first you have to pick up 170 centimeter cord. Now you have to make a loop like a video and add all 5 cords which is 100 centimeter with the help of reverse lark head knot. After adding all 5 cords, you just have to drag it and you have to pin it. You can use cork board or you can do it on your mattress. It's your choice. So 170 centimeter cord is main cord. Now use double hitch knot to make a circle and make sure your double hitch knot should not be very tight or very loose. Otherwise our coasters will not be flat. Now continue the process with the help of double hitch knot. After that, whenever we feel the gap is more, then we will add another cord, which one is 100 centimeter. Now you can see the gap is more. So I will add 100 centimeter cord with the help of lark head knot and continue the process with double hitch knot. Now gap is again, so I will add one more 100 centimeter cord. So this process will be continue until our all cord will be finished. If you understand the process, you can skip the video. So first you have to take 100 centimeter, then 80 centimeter, then 60 centimeter. So guys, my all cords has been finished, but I need 4 or 5 more cords. So I will not waste my cords. So I will cut the cords from the coasters which one is very long, and I will add it because this is the last row of my coaster. Use simple knot to at the end and cut the fringes around 1 inch or half inch and comb it. You can also stick felt sheet on the back side. It will give more stiffness to the coasters, and your boho coasters are ready. I hope this video is very helpful for you and I am able to explain step by step. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Goodbye, take care, bye bye.